You know, we've always taught our children, leave a place better than you found it. And Joseph Marchant is the epitome of that. Joseph is a visionary, and we're so lucky to have him in Bibb County, because when other rural health care facilities, hospitals, nursing homes have been forced to close because of different reasons, you know, reimbursement, regulations, those sorts of things, we've not only survived COVID because of Joseph, but we're thriving. And he brings a lot to the table. Even at a young age, Joseph is recognized as a leader, not only in our community in Bibb County, but also throughout the state. He serves as the president of the Chamber of Commerce, as well as the Economic and Industrial Development Board in Bibb County, and he's past president or chairman of the board of the Alabama Hospital Association, currently serves as a trustee for the association, and has served on numerous rural health committees within that association. Joseph is a strong leader, and at Bibb Medical Center, he's able to inspire the employees and even the patients, but part of that comes from he's hardworking, and he's disciplined, and he does his research, and he's always looking for the needs that we have in our community, and he's trying to meet those needs, and he's able to inspire and encourage the employees to get on board with whatever the next project is. Another example of Joseph's leadership is when he was approached about the Dolly Parton Imagination Library, the possibility of it coming to Bibb County. And when he heard that we were in need of support for that, the next day he had people at the table who could make that happen. As a visionary, Joseph always has a project going on. And some of my favorites include the fact that he brought back OB/GYN services to Bibb County. So babies are being delivered in Bibb County when most rural hospitals aren't able to offer that service. We're also really proud of the Wellness Center that was a burden of love, I think, for Joseph. He visited other states, other counties to see how they were doing it best. And we don't have a YMCA. We don't have a Boys and Girls Club in Bibb County. So this is a great gathering space for people of all ages where all kinds of activities are offered.
Joseph Marchant is an incredible forward thinker. And just based on the things that he has done there at Bibb Medical Center, you see not only how forward thinking he is, but the passion that he has for the people that he serves. I've known Joseph Marchant since elementary school, and I'm a lot older than him, but I've known him from a very young age. And throughout his life, he has been someone who has had an amazing passion and an amazing work ethic. There are so many examples of the great things that Joseph has been involved in. And I can tell you from being a state senator and representing the area, I am so proud of the healthcare facility that we have there in my district. And, when we look at it from a state standpoint, he's certainly a best practice for so many things going on in rural healthcare across the state. I had a very short time where I worked in a federal role, and many times the medical center and Joseph were highlighted at the federal level. So not only are they doing great things at the state level, but being recognized federally for the great work that they're doing. And I just couldn't be more proud of him and the work that they're doing. I have never seen anyone with as much passion for a community as Joseph Marchant. Not only is the hospital involved in supporting the community from a healthcare standpoint, he and the people that work for him are totally committed to making the community a better place. There is never a community project that goes on that Joseph and his team are not involved in some aspect of it. Joseph is someone who certainly is able to get people around the table and to get people talking and engaged in anything that needs to be done. So not only is it from a healthcare standpoint, it's from a whole community standpoint as well. I know that we had a park in the county that was in need of a little bit of love, and Joseph engaged his team and got them out there and got them working on it, and it just looks absolutely fabulous now. He and his team always have the best float in the Christmas parade. They're involved in so many different community projects of making the county better. Congratulations, Joseph, on this very well-deserved honor. You make our county, our region, and our state a better place.
Congratulations, Joseph. Thank you for all that you do and for all that you give to Bibb County.